What's going on, guys? Well, welcome to the channel. This vehicle right here is a 2020 Buick Envision. 2020 Buick Envision. I'm going to show you guys how to take that battery out and replace it. I will show you guys the points first and what nuts, bolts, and screws to move and clips and stuff like that. And I will show you the points and exactly how to take it off and put it back in. So with that said, guys, let's take a look. Okay guys, here we go. The first thing we're going to do, guys, we're going to get this piece out of the way. Pay attention. See the hook right here? Pry that up, put it back, come over here, right here, pry this up, over here, pry that up, fold this back, move that from there. That is the number 13 that I tell you about, which is this one. That goes right there. We're gonna take that from there, okay? Like this. We're gonna take that from there. Take it out. Don't lose it, okay? Put it up here. Don't lose it. Hold it. Take it off. Now right here. See this clip right here? Get the clip tool. Go right here. Pry it off. Comes off. Pry it up. Comes out. See that? It goes back in there and lock it. You're gonna put that aside. That aside. Push your way, okay? Over here. Take that one loose. Same thing. All the way. Take this off so you won't drop it. Take it loose. Hold this thing. Remember, go ahead and take it off. When you put this thing back, remember it sits in the groove right there, okay? It sits in the groove. Same as this one. It sits in that groove right there. Now, number 10 right there. Go ahead and take that 10 loose. You're gonna turn to the left. Turn all these things to the left. See, don't take it off all the way. Just partially. See that? Partially. And use the flathead, put it right between it and pry it open. Just like that. Pry it open. Then you grab it, shake it and twist it. It comes off. Won't move that thing out your way. Now, I'm gonna come down here. I'm moving something away, guys. You see here? Light. Come on, light. Tighten up. See this clip right here? This clip is clip at the edge of the battery. Go ahead and pry it up. See that? Pry it up. That's one side. It's two side, okay? Close this thing. Over here. Pry this end up. Bam. Comes off. See that? Now, go ahead. Move this thing out your way. Okay, just set that thing out your way. Then, take that one loose right there. Okay? Go ahead, take that loose. Halfway. Now all the way, just like that, halfway. Do not take it off away, okay? Now hold it, and jerk it off of there. It comes off. If not, go ahead and pry it off of there. See that? Up underneath, pry it off. It comes off. Out your way. Now, once that is out your way, that's out your way. Move that 10 from there all the way. Take it out all the way completely. Take it out completely. Just like that. Don't lose it. Take this piece out your way. Take this thing. Now this thing have a groove, okay? Goes inside of here. Bang, hook. Take it out your way. Then you're gonna grab it. You're gonna grab this end and this end and pull the battery up, okay? That's how you do that. Now that we have everything loose, grab this thing and go up with it. See that? Comes right out, guys. It's not that hard. Follow the instruction. It's pretty simple. Just like that. Now, once you're gonna get the new battery. Put this thing goes back and put it right back into place. Okay. Make sure this thing is flush down there, okay? make sure it's flush. Go ahead and put the arms back. Put back the arms, guys. Get this piece right here. Just snap it back down. See that? Good to go. Now, get this one, put this one back. This is the positive, guys. Don't be afraid of the spark. Don't be afraid of it. It will not hurt you. Put it right back in the groove. Put back the 13 nut. Go and tie the 10 nut first. Tie the 10 nut first. Make sure that that thing is tight. Then go ahead and tie the 13. That's one. Then you're gonna get the other one, which is this one. Lay it back down. Put the nut back over it. Tie it down. Just like that. Go ahead and close this thing back. Just like that. Then, get your bracket. Go and hook it in. Put back your 10 nut. Put this thing back, snap it back close. Then, last but not least, go and take your negative side. Put that back, guys. Don't worry about the sparks, it won't hurt you. Go ahead, tie that back. That's it. Battery's done, complete, steady. That's how you replace this battery. Quick, easy, bam. Alright guys, as you can see guys, this is a quick one, alright? It's not that difficult. It looks a little bit difficult, but it's not. Just take your time and get the work done, alright? With that said, I will see you guys in the next video. Support working when checking out. Bam!